Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I am back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to create board on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Pinterest application. After you open that up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're on this home page of Pinterest, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. That will take you to your profile page. Now, in order to create a new board, head over to the upper right corner of your interface. There you will see the plus icon. Tap on there. Now, at the bottom of this screen, select the board. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to fill in details for your new board. So first of all, enter the name for your board and choose a descriptive name that reflects the theme or content of the board. Once you're done with that, under the collaborators, you can add any collaborators on your board as well. If you want to add friends too, you can invite the friends and add the friend that you would like to add. After you're done with that, you can set the visibility of your board to public or secret as well. To keep it secret, turn on the toggle and it will keep your board secret. Once you're done with all this, then tap on the next from the upper right corner. You can start adding pins to your board. So select the pin that you would like to add and then tap on done from the upper right corner. And all these pins have been added to your board. So that's how you can create board on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.